In this lesson, we'll review a math question from the problem-solving section. We're on page 788, question 15 out of 20. This is a moderate difficulty problem. How many integers in the set of all integers from 1 to 100, inclusive, are not the square of an integer? So this is sort of a reasoning-based question, and there are two steps here. First of all, how many total integers are there? We want to count the numbers from 1 to 100. Now, we also see this term inclusive here. Even if inclusive is not given, it really always will mean including the first and last. I don't think I've ever seen exclusive, which would not, that would be basically from 2 to 99 inclusive. That's if it's exclusive, but this is inclusive. How many numbers are there? There are simply 100 numbers. All right, we take the difference and add 1. From 0 to 100 would be 101, but that's the first step, 100 total numbers. Now let's think about the second step here. Are there more numbers that are the square or are not the square? And you should recognize here there are a lot more numbers that are not the square. And so this is a little bit of intuition. Instead of, sorry, I'm running on this uneven desk here. There are a lot more numbers that are not the square, and there are fewer that are the square. So the way to do this sort of reasoning based, there's 100 total numbers. Let's find all the ones that are squares, and then we'll subtract. So let's just start in order. What's the smallest number in the string? The smallest number here is simply 1, and 1 squared we know is just 1, and that's in the string, and we can just keep going here. All right, you don't even have to figure all these out. You should recognize maybe 3, 4, 5. We keep going. Now, if you're doing it correctly with any type of min-max problem, see the first one was exactly at the low end. If you do it correctly, the last one will be very close, if not touching. And in fact, the last one is 10, and 10 squared is 100. That is the last number that is the square. So it's simply 1 through 10. You don't even have to do these, right? 3 squared is 9, 16, 25, 100 is the last one. So how many total numbers are the square between 1 and 100? There are 10 total numbers that are the square. 100 is the total. We're going to take away, and we end up then with 90 that are not the square. And that's it. The answer here is E. All right. See you next time. Thanks for watching.